Hello everyone, I'm Avnish Kumbarkar, co-founder of TheMatrixAI, and today I bring in front of you a topic which may be a revolution in our country as it is a growing trend globally, NFTs. We're going to talk about how in just 10 minutes you can learn how to make your first NFT. Now, in this evolving world, everyone is talking about cryptocurrency and NFT has become a fad. You must have certainly heard from people talking about grogs, grimes, and forms of art receiving millions of dollars of NFTs for it. Despite the fact that this concept may seem hard at first, anyone can submit their NFTs. Even if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet or no understanding how cryptocurrency works, it just takes 10 minutes to complete this process. People are paying crazy money for NFTs, but why? You can think of this as an evolution of fine art collecting, but only digital art. I'll list out a few things that were sold as NFTs. Firstly, NBA virtual trading cards. Second, music and video clips from artist named Deadmau5. Third, video art by Grimes. Fourth, the original Nan Cat meme. I know you may not be that fascinated by these collectibles, but websites like OpenSea are full of masterpieces. Amazing artworks and 3D artwork can be found there.
So let's dive into the steps for creating NFTs. So the step one will be to create a one-of-a-kind piece of art that will be submitted as an NFT on a platform like OpenSea. Your NFT can be an image, a video, an audio, or a 3D model with file extensions such as JPG, PNG, GIF, MP3, MP4, etc. So step 2, make a wallet with MetaMask. If you don't already have MetaMask installed, the first step is to get one. MetaMask is a safe Ethereum wallet that's totally free. Just download it from your browser and click on create a wallet. I'll just show you what you have to do for creating a MetaMask wallet. You just Google MetaMask and the first link, the metamask.io, is where you have to go, and you can click here on download. You can see there are three options, MetaMask for Windows, iOS and Android. So we need Windows as I have Windows installed. So here you can see this MetaMask is just an extension that you have to include in your browser. So I'll just click on get. So MetaMask has been added to my Microsoft Edge. Here you can see, here if you already have a wallet, you can just import the wallet, or if you have to create a new wallet, we can create it here. I'll just set up a password real quick. This is an important part, secret recovery phrase. So here you have to remember this phrase so as to log in into the next step. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this and paste it into a notepad so that I can pick it. Here you have to confirm the recovery phrase you just saw. So it's done here, and we have passed that recovery phase test. And here it is, your MetaMask wallet. You can see here there is like no Ethereum present right now, so it is showing 0. And you have different options like buy, send and swap. Now step 3 is to create an OpenSea account. Opening an OpenSea account is even more easier. All you need to do is link your OpenSea account with your MetaMask account. I'll show you how to do that. You type in OpenSea, and the first link you have to click on create. And as you can see, as soon as I click on create, the account which we had created with MetaMask just opens up, and it has like linked my OpenSea account with my MetaMask account. Now here is the place where you have to create your first NFT. You can upload your image, audio, video, whatever you want to upload as an NFT, name, description, and other details. So in this step, you have to create your NFT. So for demonstration purpose, I'll just upload a demo video as an NFT and a preview image. Okay, and the name I'll set up as demo NFT. We don't need any external link or any for now. And the description I'll put as my first NFT. Great. So now you can just click on create. This takes a little bit of time. And here you have created your first NFT and it is ready to share, and you can now walk into the next step as to sell this NFT. This is just unlisted right now, but you need more steps to sell it. Here you can see this is all the description of your first NFT, price history, listings, offers, and activity of your NFT. The last and the final step, step 5, is listing your NFT. As of now, you can see your artwork is in your collection. You can see all of these details like price history, description, listing, offers, and item activity. To sell this, you have to click here on sell and you will be directed to a new page. Here you can choose between a fixed or a timed auction, choose the price and the duration. And one more additional feature here is you can offer this NFT as a package or set this artwork aside for a specific buyer. The last thing you need to remember here is you must pay a charge of 2.5%. Therefore, if your wallet balance is less than 0.05 Ethereum, you may need to deposit more funds to finish this listing. And there you go. This is how you create your first NFT, and it is ready to sell. And I hope this was quite brief and easy to understand. So I'd like to invite you all in shaping the future with the Matrix AI. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. We are also having a workshop on NFTs this week, so you can access the registration link in the description below. Thank you.